Hello students, today we are going to solve Leetcode problem number 1281, which is subtract the product and sum of the digits of an integer. So basically it's like we will be given an integer n and we have to find the difference between the products of the digit and the sum of the digits. So let's just start with the solution itself. We can consider int product is equal to, let's suppose it's 1, and then int sum is equal to, consider it 0. Why we have considered int product is equal to 1 and not 0 is because anything multiplied by 0 will be 0, and when we multiply any digit by 1 it returns that number itself. So that's why we have considered 1. So what we are going to do is, while n is greater than 0, now n is going to be our integer. So we have int, first we will have to extract the digits. We will have n is equal to n divided by 10. Now what this reminds us, it extracts the last digit. What does this do? It extracts the last digit. How it's gonna work? I think you must have studied in operators how this modulus function works. It did okay. Now what we have to do is product is equal to product into this digit, and for sum we will add, sorry, it should be product into digit, and for sum plus this digit. Now after this we will be returning product minus sum, because that's what it is expected. We have to return the difference between the product of the digits and sum of the digits. Okay, so let's just try to run this first for the test cases. Okay, and now here we have one error. It says time limit exceeded. Why is it that? Oh yes. Now here what's happening is, whenever suppose let's take over here itself, I'll be explaining here itself. Suppose n is equal to 1, 2, 3, right? When I'm writing digit is equal to n modulus by 10, on first iteration it will be returning me 3, but now what we have to do is we have to also divide it by 10, so that the number we have will be, suppose I divided n divided by 10, n is equal to n divided by 10, then I will be having n is equal to 12, and then we will be again have digits is equal to n modulus 10, and then we will have digit will be 2. So this is how it's gonna work. And what we forgot over here was to add this line, that n is equal to n divided by 10. What does this do? It also truncates the last digit, like it deletes the last digit. Okay, so that's why we were getting time limit exceeded, because it was stuck in a loop. Now the test cases are going to be fine and they are going to be accepted. Let's just try to submit it. And it is accepted, and it also beats the complexity and stuff. So what will be the time complexity for this? The time complexity is going to be, let's write O of n, since we have used a single while loop, and the space complexity is O of 1, because we have used only two integers to save the variables, and that are also gonna be used in the final output. So the space complexity is going to be O of 1 and the time complexity is O of n. So this is what our final answer looks like, and I hope you guys must have understood it. See you in the next one. Until then, please keep studying, and if you have any doubts you can comment them down in the comment section. Thank you so much.